everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be diving into the Vettsy seasonal subscription nail box, and this is the spring edition. Now let me tell you, this box is giving you that fresh start energy in the best way possible. So if your nails are ready to come out of that winter hibernation, this spring box is packed with everything you need to feel refreshed and get your nails totally season ready. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this entire box so you can get a good feel on the spring box. The best part about this box is that it is released every 3 months and is catered to the season. So right now we're going to be diving into spring. The next one will be summer, fall, and winter. I really like this because I'm a busy mom of 2 and I really just love having everything I need for those seasons just arrive at my doorstep. Plus, who doesn't love a good surprise? So this is everything in the box, and this box is really heavy. I was not expecting it to be that heavy. So the theme of this box is floral fantasy. So we're going to be pulling in obviously your traditional pastel colors with pops of brightness, and I'm really hoping there's going to be some touch of florals in here as well. So for the first video, we're just going to unbox it so you can see all the goodies that the seasonal spring box has to offer, and you can see if it's going to be right for you. And then next week, we are going to create a full nail look so you can see how I utilize some of the products in this box. And then stay tuned. I will be doing different reels featuring the items in this box as well. This way you can get tons of different spring nail inspo based on everything in this one box, because this box is going to be the box that keeps on giving even though it's catered to spring. Honestly, these elements, as you see as we go, they are perfect for any time of year, and everything about this box you can find in that description box below. All right, so without further ado, let's dive into the seasonal spring box to see if it's right for you, and I will see you all in the next one.